Samsung is already selling the Galaxy Fold and its 5G sibling, but the company could launch a light variant in early 2021. Sources from South Korea report the phone is going to have less impressive specs but a far more manageable price. The new phone will go for around 1.32 million South Korean won, which is about $1,100 or 75. A recently leaked render showcased the device will keep its ratio but will have a single punch-hole camera on the front inside, while there will be two shooters on the outside. Leaksters also say the bezels of the new Fold phone will be thinner. The reason we are not looking at an earlier arrival is that Samsung wants to concentrate on the development of the Galaxy Note 20 family due to the sluggish performance of the Galaxy S20 lineup. The COVID-19 pandemic heavily affected flagship sales, while shipments of mid-range and entry-level phones are slowly recovering.